Hi everyone, Namaste. Let me ask you something. Are you guys craving for an holiday? Because I am. I guess in the time of pandemic, we all are missing our visit to the resorts and the villas surrounded by the nature. Maybe not if you stay here. Today, I'm going to review 3.5 BHK, 4.5 BHK, Vastu compliant, ready possession apartment at Baner. Let's see the project Kumar Sanctum, crafted by Kumar Properties, with your friend Ashish Modi, the property reviewer. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the channel too. Project is located at the start of Baner at Ivory Estates, which is known to be one of the prime locations of Baner. Baner being chaotic these days, but Ivory Estates are nestled in lush green where you get your own peace and privacy. Connectivity wise, it's ideally located as all major locations of Pune like Wakad, Pimpri, Kothurud, Shivaji Nagar, Koregaon Park are maximum half an hour drive. The area is highly active for F&B outlets nearby. Baner being a high street shopping area for many, daily needs will not be a problem. Kumar Privy is a luxury brand created by Kumar Properties, and Kumar Sanctum, where we are standing today, comes under the Privy category only. The project is in 4 acres with 4 high-rise towers in it. In phase 1, it has 2 towers which are ready to move in with an unparalleled view of the city along with ample natural light and ventilation. Phase 2 is yet to be launched. It has a huge amenity space. Something which caught my eye is the heart-shaped swimming pool, central lawn with cabanas, open-air gym, just to name a few. Also, the project has clubhouse with gym, children play area, tennis court and cricket pitch. The project has 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK apartments. 3.5 BHK apartment carpet area start from approximately 2150 square feet. 4.5 BHK apartment carpet area start from approximately 2450 square feet. We are on the ground floor. Towards the right and left, there is a car park space. And here is the main entrance lobby. The lobby is very grand and welcoming. At the lobby, we have reception counter, visitor lounge, and also the meeting room. From here is the access to the lift lobby. Every building has 3 elevators. Now let's go to the sample flat. Before I start the tour, let me explain you the floor plan. In the 4.5 BHK, when you enter the apartment, there is 2 bedrooms. One is on the right and one is on the left. When you come inside, there is a huge living and dining area, and behind that, there are 2 more bedrooms. Now let's see the whole apartment. Now we are seeing the first bedroom. I have liked the sizes given in the apartment. This bedroom is of 186 square feet. Outside space near the bathroom can be used for dressing area too. Bathroom are of decent size with premium sanitary fittings. This is the second bedroom with the good size, and it also has a small wardrobe space near the bathroom. All bathrooms are in the range of 40 to 50 square feet area, which is an ideal size for a bathroom in any apartment. I think this is one of the huge living and dining area which I have seen of 4.5 BHK. Size is very good. The height from floor to ceiling is also not less than 10.5 feet. Both the sides, I am seeing there is sliders given in the apartment. So there is no issue of sunlight and ventilation in the entire apartment. Now if you come this side, this is the dining area. Dining area is very much close to the kitchen, so it makes the life easier for the homemaker. The kitchen is huge over here. It is also attached to a dry balcony. So what we are seeing right now is the exact specification of the kitchen given by the developer. Chimney, hob, cabinets below, 2 cabinets above is all what the customer is getting inside this apartment. The third bedroom could be a kid bedroom, close to parents' room. The area of the room is 138 square feet with an attached washroom.
The master bedroom is basically owned by the master of the house, and according to me, if he stays here, he will love it. It has the green view from the windows. Attached to it, there is also walk-in wardrobe and the bathroom. Do let me know, how do you like the apartment on your comments below. For any inquiry, site visit, you know where to reach me.